So Ash, obviously this is the ensuite.
Yes.
I can see straight away when I look at the floor, that step down, that tells me that the shower is going to run along there, but I've got a window as well.
Yeah, so like a walk-in shower with a nice fixed shower screen blade there.
Beautiful.
Vanity over this side and a toilet in the corner.
Now, I can see that you've already brought in your Fanco.
Yes.
Obviously, this is going to be going into this room.
It is, and obviously once we insulate it and make it airtight, got our wraps around the windows and the window frame. It's going to be nice and airtight, and we've got the noise, possible noise transfer going through to the main bedroom next door.
Right.
So having this Fanco installed here is going to extract that air out, the moisture, and keep the noise down for the bedroom.
I can also see options. I love options.
Yes.
These are the vents that are going to go on top, I'm guessing. My big question is, it's sort of like play school, mate. Are you the square window or the round window?
I'm definitely the square with this project.
The square.
Yes, yes.
I'm round.
We've got a more square in terms of your plumbing fixtures and tiles as well, so matching that, tying that in.
See, I always go round because I think the light fittings are round, and if by chance something's not installed exactly straight, you never ever know when it's round.
Well, the beauty of this one here, it's adjustable, so you can get it nice and square. Once it's there, it can be moved a little bit and fix it off.
What have you got there, mate?
One of the beauties of this product is that the flap that sort of closes off when the exhaust fan's on and off.
Yep.
So the old traditional units wouldn't have this option here, but it closes off the air. So you could be extracting air out, that could just come back straight back in. It'd be like a hole in the ceiling, but this closes off and it's nice air tightness to it.
Yeah, I get it. So a normal pipe is going to go through from an exhaust to outside, but wind could come back inside, so that's going to bring in heat or cold depending on what time of year.
And this product just closes that off, so.
I've got a son who could deal with that, as stopping the smells from going inside and out of the bathroom as well. Clever, very simple, but very clever.
Yes.
Julia, I'm excited to be here. We've got a great project. We've got a family in Flinders, right on the coast, but it can get quite cold there, and we need to deal with the heating and cooling, but still have a nice space to spend time in. I'm hearing you've got the solution. I'm seeing lots of flashing lights. I've designed a lot of houses myself, Julia. I've never seen anything like this in a house. What is this?
This is a very exciting new product. So this is a Fanco Heat Recovery Ventilation Unit, or HRV. We've got a beautiful example here to explain exactly how it works to our customers. Unfortunately, when you do get the unit, you don't get the flashing lights.
You don't get the flashing lights.
But you get all the rest of the bells and whistles.
So how do the bells and whistles work? I can see lots of arrows and explanations. Tell me how it works.
Yeah, well, it's actually really simple. What this unit does is take the stale air out of the home, but it actually takes it through a heat exchanger. And all that really is a ceramic core, or kind of a tube, and it warms up from the warm air that it's pulling through it, and then the stale air continues on and goes out of the house.
So what happens is that the air from the house comes through here, stays in the middle, the heat stays there, and the air leaves.
Exactly right.
And then we need fresh air.
That's the next step.
So that comes in through here?
Exactly right.
We also want to create a healthy home. So I'm seeing these filters here because we want to bring the fresh air in, but all outside air is not always fresh and clean. So these layers of filtering are working for that.
Exactly. So it goes through the filter and comes into the home nice and clean, free from pollen, dust, and a lot of other particles. So it really improves the quality of the indoor air, which is so important.
Julia, I am really impressed. I think to have great air quality is also important in our homes, but to understand the energy costs, the heating there remains, so we're not spending that extra money to run these units, so they're really cost effective with great benefits. I am a massive fan. I think it is fantastic.